This is the world's blackest paint, and this paint absorbs up to 99% of visible light.
Wow.
And the idea is today I'm gonna go ahead and paint one of these skulls in this blackest paint, and we're gonna go ahead and see the difference. I'm gonna try to create the illusion of absolute pure darkness. So we're gonna try to see if this paint can cover up all the blemishes in this skull, all the details in this skull, and really hide that in this black illusion. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and use what's known as Black 2.0, and this is the mattest paint that is out there, and we're gonna go ahead and prime the skull. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one away. And the idea is before you apply Black 3.0, you have to prime it, okay? So this paint is going to give this skull an ultra matte finish, okay? So we try this. So you see it right there.
Yeah, I see it.
You don't need much. So I'm gonna start applying it like this. Now, when it comes to applying the paint, you don't need to use a lot. A little really goes a long way. So I'm just gonna cover it up a little bit so you kind of see what's happening. And you can notice the details on the skull too, right?
Yeah.
The idea is with the first coat of paint, you see how glossy it is? Mm-hmm. We're gonna go ahead and try to eliminate all of this gloss on this skull. Okay, so once I cover everything and it dries up, it's going to dry ultra matte. So you do see a shine, but it's definitely going to dry up. So I'm almost finished with the first coat, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually finish the first coat and let it dry for 2 hours, and I'll come back and show you how matte this skull actually gets. I'm going to film all the crevices. All right, so you can see the matte paint has finished drying, and most of that gloss is all gone. We're ready to apply the world's blackest paint. And I know that the more I apply of this, the crazier it's gonna look. So you can already see we're losing a lot of the detail in this skull. And that's primarily because of the coat of the paint, but also because how black it is. Now it's kind of cool. And shake this up. Now the moment I start to apply Black 3.0, you're gonna see the difference in color.
It's like the upgrade.
Yeah. This is an ultra rich black, and you're really gonna see a dramatic difference. So let's try this. Now, one tip here is you always wanna use very soft brushes when you're painting with this, but you can already see like it's a very thinner paint, so you need a primer to make it really work very well. So check it out. Look at that.
Whoa.
See how black that is?
Yeah.
It's insane, right?
It's gonna cover all the detail though, that's my question.
We'll see. So here's the idea with this paint. At first, it looks like regular black paint that's just ultra black, right? But the longer you let it dry, the blacker and blacker it gets until it's insanely black to the point where it's almost like an optical illusion. This paint really does get rid of almost all of the visible light. So again, I'm just painting this really, really fast. I'm not trying to do the perfect job, but you can already see the difference in, the matte and the Black 3.0, right?
Yeah, I definitely see it.
You see the difference?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So remember the bottom, right? There's a lot of crevices in the bottom. Hopefully by the time we finish this, all the crevices will be hidden very well. So I'm gonna go ahead now and finish up the skull and apply a little more detail work. And if I need a second coat, I might do a second coat. I'm gonna let it dry for 4 hours, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out the result and how it compares to the actual regular skull. You can see the original version has all the shininess to it, all the details, right?
Yeah.
And this is the final version.
Oh,
Ready?
I can't wait to see it.
Ready? Look. Looks like a black ball. Look.
Oh. Oh my, I don't even see anything.
You lose almost all of the detail. Just the jaw.
Side.
Just the jaw. But look. Now I did break it a little bit, but you can really see the crazy transformation that this
oh my gosh, I don't see anything.
Paint really does. It really is the blackest paint.
Looks like somebody just took a Sharpie and just drew on the paper.
It looks literally like a black hole. And that's 99% visible light. You can see even from the bottom. Remember all that detailing we lost? That is the world's blackest paint.